Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled The AI Agent Blueprint, Building Smart, Autonomous Systems. Imagine a super smart digital assistant that doesn't just follow instructions, but actually understands its goals, monitors its environment, makes decisions, and then acts to achieve those goals, all on its own. That's an AI agent. For us developers, an AI agent is a program we build that can perceive, gather info, decide, think, and act, do things autonomously. It's not just a script, it's a proactive system designed to be your intelligent helper. Why should you, as a developer, care about AI agents? Because they unlock the power of autonomy. Instead of writing code that just waits for a user to click a button, agents allow you to create systems that can observe, analyze, and execute tasks independently. Think of a program that manages your smart home, optimizes business processes, or even helps write code, without you micromanaging every step. This means building more robust, adaptive, and intelligent applications. Every powerful AI agent, from a simple chatbot to a complex robotic system, is built on 4 fundamental components, like the main pillars supporting a building. As developers, our job is to code each of these interconnected parts. 1. Perception, the senses. How the agent gathers information about its world. 2. Decision-making, the brain. How it processes information and chooses what to do. 3. Action, the hands and voice. How it interacts with its environment. 4. Memory and learning, the experience. How it remembers past events and improves over time. Let's dive into each one. Just like humans use eyes and ears, an AI agent needs to see and hear its environment to gather information. This is its perception layer. As a developer, this means writing code that collects data. This could involve reading sensor data, e.g., temperature from a smart thermostat, processing text, e.g., user input in a chatbot, analyzing images, or fetching information from APIs and databases. Your code here acts as the agent's sensors, translating raw data into something the agent's brain can understand. Once an agent perceives information, it needs to think about what to do next. This is its decision-making layer, the agent's brain. As a developer, this is where you implement the logic that processes perceived data and determines the best course of action. This could be simple if-then rules, e.g., if temperature greater than 25, then turn on AC. More complex algorithms, or even integrating advanced AI models like a small machine learning model or a large language model, LLM, for tasks requiring deep understanding and reasoning. Your code here defines the agent's intelligence. After deciding what to do, the agent needs a way to do it. This is the action layer. If our smart thermostat decided to turn on the AC, it needs to send that command. For a developer, this means writing code that interacts with the real world or other software systems. This could be sending commands to smart devices, e.g., turning on a light, sending messages, e.g., an email or SMS, updating a database, or calling another API to trigger an external service. Your code in this pillar makes the agent's decisions a tangible reality. A truly smart agent doesn't just react, it learns and remembers from its experiences. This is the memory and learning layer. As a developer, this means designing systems where the agent can store past interactions, observations, and outcomes, e.g., which actions led to success, which failed. This memory could be a simple log file, a database, or even feeding past data back into a machine learning model to improve its future decision-making. Process. This pillar allows your agent to adapt, optimize, and get smarter over time, making it truly autonomous. Let's imagine building a simple meeting scheduler chatbot agent. Perception. It sees your text message. Schedule a meeting for tomorrow at 3 p.m. Decision making. It's brawn. Your code, perhaps an LLM, understands the intent, extracts date, time, and checks your calendar for availability. Action. It acts by sending a calendar invite to attendees and responds to you with meeting confirmed. Single quote. Memory, learning. It remembers your preferred meeting platforms or common attendees to make future scheduling even faster. This continuous cycle of perceiving, deciding, acting, and learning is the essence of an AI agent. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.